Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to post on Snapchat Spotlight. If you're using Snapchat and you want to post on your Snapchat Spotlight, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Snapchat app, and here you have to make any video or photo or a snap. And once you have done, you just have to tap on this send to option from here. If you want to download, you can easily download, you can easily edit this video or photo here, or you can add it to your own story. So if you want to send on Spotlight, you just have to tap on this send to option, and here you'll get the list with which you can easily send, but I'm going to send on Spotlight. So simply select the Spotlight option, and here tap on this OK option. Once you have that, tap on OK again, and then tap on this share option. So in this way you can easily send any of your snap or video on your Spotlight. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.